Today's topic is applications of Green's theorem. So this question asked in North Bengal University Honors Exam 2022. Apply Green's theorem in plane to evaluate integration over c y minus sin x dx plus cos x dy, where c is the closed curve. Here c is given by triangle enclosed by the lines y is equal to 0, x is equal to pi, and y is equal to x by pi. So first you construct the region. Okay, so here this is x-axis, this is y-axis, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, that means x-axis. Take x is equal to pi, this is parallel to y-axis, this is x is equal to pi. Take, so this is, suppose this is x is equal to pi, y is equal to 2x by pi, that y is equal to mx. So this is a straight line passing through the origin. ठीक, देखो y is equal to mx, देखो m होचे 2 by pi. ठीक, so this is a straight line passing through the origin. ठीक, so this is for y is equal to 2x by pi. Okay, so we form a triangle. ठीक, I think up to this is clear. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the origin. Okay, ठीक. So this is the triangle OAB. Now, what is Green's theorem? Green's theorem states that integration over c, what is c? C is the closed curve. Integration over c m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration over r. Take del n del x minus del m del y dx dy. Take, so this is the Green's theorem. Integration over c m dx plus n dy, so that equal to double integration over r del n del x minus del m del y dx dy. ठीक, but for this problem, m, what is m? M is the coefficient of dx. What is n? N is the coefficient of dy. So here m dx, what is m? Here m is y minus sin x. What is n? N is cos x. Okay, so solution. So here m is equal to y minus sin x. M dx plus n dy. What is n? N is cos x. ठीक, so del integration over c m dx plus n dy, so that equal double integration over del n del x minus del m del y. So ami del n del x and del m del y calculate kore nichi. So del m del y, so therefore del m del y, so that equal to 1 del n del x, so that is minus sin x. Okay, okay, so this becomes m dx plus n dy. So therefore integration over c, this is actually m, this is actually n. So in what is given, so integration over c y minus sin x dx plus cos x dy. So that is, so this is actually, this is m, take, and this is n. So m dx plus n dy. Okay, so that is here. So that is integration over c m dx. So m, so we consider this is m dx plus n dy. Okay, so now apply Green's theorem. So double integration over r del m del n del x minus del m del y into dx dy. Okay, so this is actually, this is m and this is n, so that's why integration over c m dx plus n dy. Just apply this formula, integration over c m dx plus n dy, so that equal double integration over r del n del x minus del m del y, del n del x minus del m del y. Okay, so that equal to, so that equal double integration over r del n del x, so that is minus sine x minus del m del y, that is 1 into dx dy. ঠিক, এবার আমার x এর লিমিট y এর লিমিট, so here x varies from 0 to 1, so this is the, sorry, this is the what is the coordinate, this coordinate is pi comma 0, so x varies from, so x varies from 0 to pi. এবার y এর লিমিট, so this is the constant limit 0 to pi. এবার y এর লিমিট বের করার জন্য আমরা কি করব, প্যারালাল টু y অ্যাক্সিস আমি অ্যারো চালাবো। ঠিক, যেটা এন্ট্রি পয়েন্ট সেটা হচ্ছে লোয়ার লিমিট, আর যেটা এক্সিট পয়েন্ট সেটা কি হবে, আপার লিমিট। উই হ্যাভ টু, আমার কি করতে হবে, এই পোর্শনের এরিয়া ক্যালকুলেশন করছি, তাই না? সো x varies from 0 to pi and y varies from 0 to, here y is equal to 2x by pi, so y varies from 0 to 2x by pi. So in lower straight line parallel to, we construct a straight line parallel to y, কারণ y লিমিট বের করব। ঠিক, so parallel to y axis আমি আরো চালাবো, এর এন্ট্রি পয়েন্ট হচ্ছে লোয়ার লিমিট, এক্সিট পয়েন্ট হচ্ছে আপার লিমিট, so this is y is equal to 0, this is y is equal to 0, and this is y is equal to 2x by pi. So what is the limit for y? The limit for y is 0 to 2x by pi. So that equal to, so that equal to integration x varies from 0 to pi, y varies from 0 to 2x by pi, 0 to 2x by pi, just taking minus sign common, so minus, so that is sine x plus 1 dx dy. So first আমি y respect integration করব, ঠিক, then x, কারণ x এর লিমিট কনস্ট্যান্ট লিমিট and y limit variable limit. So first you have to integrate with respect to variable limit, then constant limit. Okay, so that equal to minus x varies from 0 to pi, ঠিক, y respect যখন ইন্টিগ্রেশন করব x is assumed to be constant, so sin x is constant, so dy কে ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে simply y, ঠিক, plus dy, so dy কে ইন্টিগ্রেশন করো simply y. What is the limit? Limit is 0 to 2x by pi into dx. Okay, so now you have to put the upper limit, so just আমরা কার রেসপেক্টে ইন্টিগ্রেশন করেছি, y রেসপেক্টে, so y এর জায়গায় আমি আপার লিমিট বসাবো, জায়গায় মাইনাস লোয়ার লিমিট বসাবো, ঠিক আছে? So that equal to minus integration x is equal to 0 to pi, so put the upper limit, so 2x by pi sin x, just you put upper limit, so 2x by pi minus lower limit y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so that is 0. Okay, so now taking 2 by pi common, so that is minus 2 by pi, x varies from 0 to pi, x sin x plus x into dx. Now we have to integrate, ঠিক, so আমি ইন্টিগ্রেশন সাইডে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, so integration x sin x dx, so that is first function, integration of second sin x এর integration, that is minus cos x, ঠিক, minus integration ddx of first, so x is, so derivative of x, so that is 1, integration of second, so this is the first function, x is the first function and sin x is second function, so derivative of first, integration of second, sin x integration, that is minus cos x, so minus cos x, so this will be plus cos x dx, so that is ultimately you get minus x cos x এবার cos x কে ইন্টিগ্রেশন করো, that is simply sin x. So x sin x কে ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে আমরা কি পাচ্ছি, minus x cos x plus sin x. Okay, so that equal to minus 2 by pi, ঠিক, x sin x কে ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে minus x cos x plus sin x plus x কে ইন্টিগ্রেশন করছি, so x square by 2, limit is 0 to pi. So now put the upper limit, so that equal to minus 2 by pi minus pi cos pi minus pi cos pi plus sin pi plus pi square by 2. Lower limit 0, so if we put x is equal to 0, all terms 0. ঠিক, so cos pi value হচ্ছে -1. ঠিক, so it should be note that cos n pi, so that equal to -1 if n is odd, ঠিক, is equal to 1 if n is even. This point should be note that cos n pi, so that equal to -1 if n is odd. So cos 3 pi -1, cos 5 pi -1, cos 2 pi that is 1, cos 4 pi that is 1. So cos n pi is -1 if n is odd, and cos n pi is equal to +1 if n is even. So this point should be noted. Okay, so cos pi that is -1. So ultimately what we get, so that equal to minus 2 by pi cos pi, that is -1, so that is simply pi. ठीक, sin pi 0, pi plus pi square by 2. So if you multiply this, so you get minus 2 minus pi 2 by pi into pi square by 2. So 2 to cancel that, so ultimately, so that is pi. So if we take minus sign common, so 2 plus pi. So this is the answer. Okay, I think clear. So the value of this integral over the triangle enclosed by the line is minus 2 plus pi. Okay, I think clear. So thank you so much. Bye.